Whether it's for business or pleasure, everyone's heart flutters when they are visiting other countries and cities. Perhaps it is the excitement of encountering new experiences with different cultures, people, and climate. The history of mankind has been deployed by the city as the main stage. Also, the city inherits its own distinct history as it grows. Although the modern city holds dynamic changes, there is no doubt that the city is in such form from the traces of its past. So, what about the city of Seoul? A city is an aggregate for the human environment where lives of people take space. A city cannot be discussed about without mentioning human beings. In the case of Seoul, the population was not even 1 million shortly after the war in the 1950s. However, the city is now populated with over 10 million people. As a city, Seoul had to undergo physical development. This development could serve to support an affluent living, public welfare, and enjoyment of a fulfilling life. As a result, Seoul became a metropolitan city, and apartments became essential. The life of Seoul, represented by apartments, has convenient public transportation and provides well-developed medical, cultural, and educational facilities. However, as a consequence, this development is the cause of pollution, inflation of housing, and overheated educational fevers. It is a serious matter that 40% of the planet's total energy consumption and 35% of carbon emissions occur from architecture and city. Our city has to take action to prevent catastrophes caused by climate changes and global warming. To do so, establishing a sound and sustainable development is necessary. We are in need of architectures that fuse natural environment with energy and resources efficiently. We are also in need of development that utilizes natural energy whilst reducing the current city energy usage. The future city should prioritize and focus on establishing the satisfaction of people's lives rather than efficiency and convenience. A city that maintains the city's glamour while increasing the quality of life. High-rise architectures that provide relaxation while allowing one to bathe in sunlight and feel the breeze, similar as if to be on the ground. A city where one can walk to work with well-appointed amenities while being able to feel a suitable amount of nature. Many cases have already shown that the future of Seoul will change industrial areas into spaces for the general population and historical sites into spaces for art. The city holds the intense energy emitted from the locations where time meets time and people meet people. The fusion of meetings between generations, encounters of different cultures from the past and present, and experiences and new ideas is what leads to a dynamic and passionate city. The mix of energies produced from various cultural experiences and passions of youth can be the power of driving force in predicting the city's future. This is Seoul, the soul of city. 2017 UIA Seoul.